Crypto. It's a word that has become synonymous with the future of finance, a digital revolution that promises to change the way we think about money. You've heard of it, right? From Bitcoin to Ethereum and countless other altcoins, the world of cryptocurrency is vast and ever-evolving. It all kicked off with Bitcoin in 2009, thanks to the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto. This enigmatic figure laid the groundwork for a decentralized financial system. The idea? Money without banks designed for the internet age. A peer-to-peer network that allows for secure, transparent transactions without the need for intermediaries. Crypto has cycles, dramatic ones, often linked to Bitcoin's halving event, which cuts the rate of new Bitcoin creation in half every 4 years. These events are pivotal, often leading to significant market movements. In 2024, another halving event stirred the pot, leading to a potential bull run in 2025. Investors and analysts alike are keeping a close eye on these developments. Everyone's watching the charts, wondering if prices will soar or if corrections will bring them down. The volatility is both thrilling and nerve-wracking. The atmosphere in 2025 is a mix of optimism and caution. Some believe we are on the brink of a new financial era, while others warn of potential pitfalls. Will we see a financial boom or a bust? The anticipation is palpable. Market sentiment swings like a pendulum and everyone has their own predictions. But remember, nothing is guaranteed in the world of crypto. It's a high-risk, high-reward game, and only time will tell what the future holds. Stay informed, stay cautious, and always do your research. Let's talk about Bitcoin, the king of crypto. Since its inception, Bitcoin has been the most dominant and widely recognized cryptocurrency. It has set the standard for digital currencies and continues to be the benchmark for the entire market. In 2024, Bitcoin surged past $100,000, a milestone that many thought was unattainable just a few years ago. This surge was driven by increased institutional adoption and growing acceptance as a store of value. Optimistic analysts predict it could hit $250,000 by the end of 2025. These predictions are based on the limited supply of Bitcoin and the increasing demand from both retail and institutional investors. But remember, these are just predictions. The crypto market is highly volatile and subject to rapid changes. Always do your own research and consider the risks involved. U.S. policies in 2024 boosted market confidence, providing a more favorable environment for cryptocurrencies. Then there's Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap. Often called the silver to Bitcoin's gold, Ethereum has carved out its own niche in the crypto world. It is known for its smart contract functionality and decentralized applications. Ethereum attracted big money in 2024 thanks to the approval of ETFs, making it easier for large investors to get involved. This has significantly increased its market presence and credibility. Ethereum 2.0 is making transactions faster and cheaper. This upgrade aims to improve scalability and reduce energy consumption, making it more sustainable in the long run. Predictions suggest the total crypto market could exceed $3.4 trillion in 2025. This growth is driven by increasing adoption, technological advancements, and regulatory clarity. That's a lot of digital value, reflecting the growing importance and acceptance of cryptocurrencies in the global financial system. Institutional investors, the big players, are increasingly entering the crypto space. These are the heavyweights of the financial world, bringing with them vast amounts of capital and influence. Their involvement is a clear signal that cryptocurrency is no longer a fringe asset, but a mainstream investment. Companies like Tesla and MicroStrategy are acquiring cryptocurrencies, adding them to their balance sheets as a hedge against inflation and a bet on future growth. Governments are also investing, recognizing the potential of digital currencies to transform the financial landscape. This influx of big money brings stability, but also makes the market more sensitive to regulatory changes. The sheer volume of capital entering the market can help stabilize prices, but it also means that any regulatory news can have a significant impact, causing volatility. Governments worldwide are tightening regulations, trying to manage this new asset class. They are implementing policies to prevent fraud, protect investors, and ensure that cryptocurrencies do not undermine financial stability. The SEC in the US has been particularly active, influencing market sentiment. Their decisions and guidelines are closely watched by investors and can sway market trends significantly. Everyone is watching the regulators closely. Traders, investors, and analysts are all keenly aware that the future of cryptocurrency markets hinges on the evolving regulatory landscape. The next big move could come from a new policy announcement or a landmark decision by a regulatory body. Thinking of investing in crypto? First, do your own research. DEOR. Understand the technology and the people behind a project. Diversify your investments to manage risk. Think long-term. The market is still young and volatile. Don't expect to get rich quick. Start small and only invest money you can afford to lose. Learn the ropes before making bigger investments. Crypto is speculative and risky. Be sensible and prudent. Let's talk about the risks. Crypto is highly volatile. Prices can swing dramatically in short periods. Security is a major concern. Hacks and scams are common. In 2024, billions were lost to illicit actors. Some criminals use cryptocurrencies for illegal activities. Stablecoins are increasingly used for illicit transactions. Despite this, most crypto transactions are legitimate. Stay vigilant and be aware of the risks. Is crypto the future of finance or a dangerous gamble? It's complicated. Crypto offers exciting possibilities like blockchain technology and tokenization, but the risks are real. Volatility, security concerns, and regulatory uncertainty. It's not a guaranteed get-rich-quick scheme. Make informed, rational decisions. The crypto story is still being written. Stay informed, stay safe, and don't base your financial strategy on hype. The journey demands careful navigation and continuous learning.